Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Those who are dreaming for serve our nation as a defense officer, this video is for those guys. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the previous year Indian questions. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first question is, which one of the following mountain lies in between Caspian Sea and Black Sea? Right answer is Caucasus Mountain. Question number 2 is, who among the following had organized in 1904 a secret society of revolutionaries named Avinav Bharat? Right answer is V.D. Savarkar. Avinav Bharat Society was a secret society founded by Vinayak Damodar Savarkar and his brother Ganesh Damodar Savarkar in 1904. Question 3 is, which one of the following statements about the revolt of 1817 is correct? Right answer is option 3. It repeatedly appealed to all sections of the population irrespective of their caste and creed. Question number 4 is, which one of the following is a cold local wind? So among the given options, Mistral is a cold local wind. So question number 5 is, which one of the following is not a current of Pacific Ocean? So Agulhas current is not a current of Pacific Ocean, it's a current of Indian Ocean. Question number 6 is, Milan, a multilateral naval exercise 2020 was supposed to hosted by which one of the following cities, which was later postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic? Right answer is option C, Visakhapatnam. Question number 7 is, the Panama Canal, opened in 1914, links. So Panama Canal links Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Question number 8 is, which one of the following terms describes the practice of growing 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land? Mixed cropping is the right answer, because mixed cropping is a system of planting 2 or more crops at a time on the same land. Question number 9 is, which one of the following was the official mascot of Khelo India Youth Games 2020? So among the following options, Bija is the right answer. Question number 10 is, which one of the following is the oldest scientific department of Government of India? Right answer is Survey of India. Question number 11 is, which one of the following countries is called the country of winds? Denmark is the right answer. Denmark is called country of winds. Question number 12 is, in the year 1928, a committee of Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. The committee was headed by. So Motilal Nehru was the chairperson of the committee. Question number 13 is, a common high court for 2 or more states can be established by. Right answer is a law passed by the parliament. Question number 14 is, New Zealand is considered part of which one of the following island groups? Polynesia is the right answer. Question number 15 is, where did Gandhiji initially forged the technique of Satyagraha? So South Africa is the right answer. Question number 16 is, the speakers of major Indian languages belong to how many language families? Right answer is 4. The Indian language belong to the 4 language families. Question number 17 is, which one of the following Indian states does not share an international border with two or more countries? Right answer is Tripura, because Tripura shares its boundary only with Bangladesh. Question number 18 is Krishnaraja Sagar Dam is developed on? So Krishnaraja Sagar Dam is built across the river Kaveri. Question number 19 is Dindayal Port is located at? Dindayal Port, which is also named as Kandal Port, is located at Gujarat. Question number 20 is which one of the following countries has hosted the army exercise TACNTR 2019? So Russia hosted the TACNTR 2019. You can practice this question as a test, and don't forget to download the PDF, which is in description, and let's connect in social media. All social media links are in description. Go and follow, be qualified. Alright, thank you. That's for all.